affect the way we communicate. Sa panahon ngayon na napapadali na yung pagkikipag-communicate natin sa iba't ibang tao, kahit nasa malayo sila dahil meron tayong iba't ibang social media platforms na ginagamit para makipag-communicate. Hindi na katulad dati na kailangan mo pang sumulat ng liham para lang maibigay o maipahayag yung mensahe mo sa kanila. Ngayon, isang type or message mo lang, marireceive na lang agad nila yung mensahe na gusto mong maiparating. Pwede din natin silang makausap through video call, and kahit nasa malayo sila, nakikita natin yung mukha nila, yung expression nila, kung gaano nila kamis o gustong kausapin yung mahal nila sa buhay. Napapadali din yung pamimili natin through online, kagaya ng iba't ibang sa mga Shopee, Lazada, na kapag may gusto lang tayo, in just your one click na mga gusto mo ay isi-search mo, and kailangan mo na lang hintayin ng ilang mga weeks bago mo makuha yung gusto mong gamit. Bilang isang tao, natututo rin tayo through technology kasi kung halimbawang interested ka sa isang bagay or may gusto kang malaman, just isi-search mo lang kung ano yung gusto mong malaman, makukuha mo na agad. Kunyari, gusto mong mag-piano, walang mag-tutor para sa piano, or wala kang pera pang tutor, kailangan mo lang, i-search mo lang, you just self-study kung willing ka talagang matuto. Maging stress reliever din natin ang technology, kagaya ng paglalaro. Yung iba, naglalaro sila para hindi sila ma-stress. Tsaka doon nila binubunton yun na lang yung way nila para mawala yung stress. Negative impact naman nito sa tao is nakadepende tayo sa teknolohiya, kagaya ng halimbawa na lang wala tayong maisagot. Imbes na mag-isip tayo kung paano natin masusolusyonan or masasagutan yung bagay or yung assignment na yun, ginagawa natin, nagsisearch tayo, parang doon kumukuha tayo ng idea through sa social media, sa Google.
Cars are made to provide transportation to people. This is developed by progressing technology. We can go to church and do our laundries comfortably. We can go to market, restaurants, and we can also visit our family and friends without any hassle. By the use of cars, we can go to tourism destination that is developing by the help of technology, wherein we can relax and munch some delicious food. This newly built establishment is promoting through the use of social media. Technology helped people to have comfortable life and made us enjoy our daily lives.
Solar panels are devices that convert light into electricity. Ano nga ba ang advantage at disadvantage ng solar panels? Una, mas mababang babayaran mong electricity bill pag mayroon ka ng solar panels. Pangalawa, mas environmental friendly siya at hindi gumagamit ng coal or fuel para mag-create ng electricity. Pangatlo, at ang pinaka-importante, magkakaroon ka ng electricity kahit brownout or may power shortage sa inyong lugar. Ano nga ba ang disadvantage ng solar panels? Una, napakamahal niya sa market ngayon. Pangalawa, kailangan ng regular check-up ang mga solar panels. Pangatlo, nakadepende ito sa panahon kung ito'y maulan o maaraw at pag maulan, hindi siya mag-accumulate ng electricity.
Bakuna kontra COVID na gawa ng Pfizer, may emergency use authorization na sa Amerika.
The first vaccine will be administered in less than 24 hours. Pickup truck.
Stop lang.
always affect us in terms of communicating, learning, and thinking. It helps our society in their daily necessities. Technology plays an important role in our society today. It has positive and negative effects on the world, and it impacts our daily lives. In using computers, we can easily use Google to search for our assignments and news. It helps us to contact our loved ones in social medias. And we can send emails in different businesses with the use of Microsoft Word in typing and Microsoft Excel. Computer can enhance our pictures for better quality. We can also play music and watch videos. If we always use computer, it can affect our sleeping habits, skip physical activities, and have headache, eye strain, and back and neck pain.
Such as bus, tricycle, car, truck, etc. It is help us to speed up where we are going. And because of the vehicles, the delivery of foods, utensils, and other products is also expedited. Many things are changing in our world. Many inventions are what will destroy our nature. It helps us, but it will damage our environment due to the smoke coming out of the vehicles, which will damage our ozone layer. Because our ozone layer has been punctured, we feel the extreme heat. To avoid running the world, what we're most to do not further damage our ozone layer is to use bike or walk. We should avoid using car if you are only going near.
Television or TV is certainly one of the most influential forces of our time. Television had been introduced during the late 1920s, and it comes from different sizes and styles as it develops. This device changes how we people live and how we approach our daily lives. Through this device, we are able to receive news, entertainment such as music, sports, watch our favorite shows, and education. However, we must be responsible enough in using television because there are negative effects when we overuse our televisions, such as
aking nakapili sapagkat ito ay malaking tulong sa mga farmer at ito ay kadalasan ginagamit sa pag-spray ng mangga.
Bye!